What's up guys, over here I have the Google TV Streamer 4K, and in this video I'll be showing you how to find and open Google Play Store on your Google TV Streamer 4K. Now usually when you get your Google TV Streamer 4K, there is no Google Play Store app anywhere on the home page or even from the list of apps over here on your Google TV Streamer 4K. But what you don't know is that the Google Play Store is actually available in this device, just that it is built into the device. And so to find and open up the Google Play Store on your Google TV Streamer 4K, there are basically two methods. The first method is to simply just head over to the search bar at the top right corner of your Google TV Streamer 4K. So just navigate to the search bar, then go ahead and search for Google Play Store from over here. And as soon as you click on the search bar over here, this is actually going to open up the Google Play Store app on your Google TV Streamer 4K. Another way you can actually open up the Google Play Store app on your Google TV Streamer 4K is to simply use the voice command button over here on your remote control. Just go ahead and long press on the button, then say open Google Play Store. And automatically, this is actually going to open up the Google Play Store once more on your Google TV Streamer 4K. I can now browse through the Google Play Store and download and install apps directly from here without any problem. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.